Hi, Ericat. Hope I'm pronouncing your name right. This is Santosh, and I'll try to solve your problem number 21, which is what quantity of heat is required to vaporize 125 gram of benzene, which is C6H6 at its boiling point 80.1 degrees Celsius. The heat of vaporization of benzene is 30.8 kilojoule per mole. So one of the things to solve a chemistry problem is write down what is given. So I'm going to write down what is given. We need to convert and see the 125 gram of benzene, how much heat is required to convert that into vapors. So 125 grams of benzene is given, and let's see what else is given is the heat of vaporization. The heat of vaporization, I'll write in short, it's given in 30.8 kilojoule required per mole, and you're given is the boiling point. That is, it boils at 80.1 degrees Celsius, which this information is just to know that benzene gets converted into vapors at 80.1 degrees Celsius. But these two information we are going to use to solve the problem. Now, first thing we need to see is your heat of vaporization, which is the heat required to convert benzene into vapors, is 30.8 kilojoules per mole. So this is in moles, but this is in grams. So the first step is you're going to convert this gram into moles. So how to convert that into moles? Now we need to know that we have to convert C6H6, which is benzene. We need to know the molar mass of benzene to convert that into mole. What is a molar mass? We need to see how many molecules of carbon are there in benzene. So there are six molecules of carbon, and you need to multiply that by the atomic weight of the carbon. So the atomic weight of the carbon you can see from the periodic table, which is going to be 12.011 grams. Then you also have hydrogen with 6 molecules. Now you have to multiply the atomic weight of hydrogen, and when you see into the periodic table for hydrogen, it's going to be 1.0079 grams. So when you add them all, multiply this with this and add them all, you're going to get, let me do the maths, it's going to be 78.11 grams per mole. What does that mean? That means 1 mole of benzene weighs 78.11 gram. So this relation we are going to use in our problem. Now, it's given that heat of vaporization is 13.8 kilojoule per mole. We need to see that how many moles are there in 125 grams of benzene. So for that, you need to convert 125 grams of benzene to moles. To convert that, you need to write down the above relation here. So you don't need grams. So what you're going to do is you're going to write down grams at the bottom so you can cancel them out, and the mole at the top. So 1 mole equals 78.11 grams. Now this you can cancel, and you have got 125 times 1 mole divided by 78.11, and you're gonna get your answer in 1.60 moles. So please check the calculations Okay, so that means 125 grams of benzene equals 1.60 moles. Now I'm going to use this relationship to see that it means 1 mole is required to convert into vapors is 30.8 kilojoules. That is it moles. Now you need to see that we have 1.60 moles of benzene. How much heat is required to convert this into vapors? So we are going to write down this, since 30.8 kilojoules per mole. You cancel mole and mole. When you multiply 1.60 times 30.8 kilojoules, you're going to get your answer in 49.28 kilojoules. So that's going to be your answer. Hope you're going to find this video helpful. Thank you.